Who are really the Igbos? Let's get to know who Igbo people are. Stay tuned. Hi my wonderful and amazing people, welcome back to my channel. Oh my days, how are we all doing? Hopefully we are all doing well. Welcome back to today's episode. Oh my days guys, I'm so excited. I'm super excited about this new thing I'm bringing to this channel, and this is one thing I have been passionate about, and I really want to help a lot of people out there who would really love to learn, who would love to maybe relocate, who may love to associate with these amazing people called Igbos. Oh my days, so guys, I'm super excited about this already, and it's really going to be fun in this channel. All you need is just sit down and learn with me. Learn with me because it's really going to be so fun. I promise you, you are going to enjoy it. In any tribe you are from, anywhere, I have seen a lot of people going out to learn other people's language, but here I'm bringing one language, one culture, everything in one about Igbos. Who are really the Igbos? And here, before I go on to talk more who the Igbos are, I'll just brief you guys on what I'm planning on this episode. So, as it will be coming more often, I will be tagging it Learn With Me. Learn With Me. As we go on to talk more about Igbos, we are really going to talk extensively about Igbos, starting from their alphabet, starting from their consonants, their vowels, a lot more, their cultures, their beliefs, and a lot more. So I'm bringing this thing new to this channel, and I promise you, you are really going to love it, and it's really going to be so fun. Who are really the Igbos? Igbos are people who lives in eastern part of Nigeria. They are also known as Biafrans, or some people call them Igbos, but the real pronunciation of it is Igbo. Igbo. Igbos are really known people. They are lovable people. They are people who adapt and live anywhere they find themselves. They make anywhere they find themselves their home, and they are people to enjoy being with. So in this episode, I will be bringing to you a lot more about Igbos. Do you really want to learn their language? Do you have a friend that you find it difficult to associate, to communicate with because you don't speak Igbo or you don't understand it? I've got your back in this episode. So in this episode, I will be naming it Learn With Me. And as we go on, we are going to start from the alphabet. Igbo alphabets, their consonants, their vowels, the cultures, what they value, how they value it, and a lot more. A lot more. Igbo people are really fun to be with. So this is what we are going to do. And do you feel like knowing them more? They are hardworking. They are well-known craft people. They live anywhere they find themselves. They can turn a desert into an estate. There is a popular saying in Nigeria that says, anywhere you go around the world and you don't find Igbo living there, then you better go out from there, because that place is not a place to live. Anywhere you go around the world and you don't see an Igbo, then that place is not a good place to be with, because if anywhere Igbo man stays, he can turn that place into another world altogether. So my people, are you trying to go to Igbo land to relocate? Are you trying to do business there? They are well-known business people, farmers as well, tourist centers, tourist zones there. There are a lot more in Igbo land. Hotels, there are a lot to enjoy in Igbo land. There are a lot. So, do you have a friend of an Igbo? Do you want to have one? Are you finding it difficult to associate with them because of language barrier? I tell you, I got your back, because language is no longer going to be a barrier after being with me in this episode. Get your children, my Igbo people, abroad, home and abroad. Get them to know this channel, and I tell you, your kids will start hearing and start learning Igbo gradually. You will be proud of your language. Don't allow your language to die. If you don't teach it to your children, nobody is going to teach it to them. So you really want to help your kids learn Igbo, I will got your back also in this channel, in this episode I'm bringing on. So join me and make it fun. Learn more. Bring your kids. Are you an Igbo man or woman finding it difficult for your kids to speak this language? You can bring them onto this channel. I promise you they will start learning gradually by gradually, knowing words of Igbos in different things, learning their alphabets, their vowels, their consonants, their culture. Oh my days, guys, it's really going to be fun. There is a lot of package in Learn With Me. Here, Learn With Me Igbo. This is the way it's going to be. I will be bringing it topic by topic. The next one, I will be starting from the alphabet and a lot more. But I will be like people who are not Igbos. I will not just go directly Igbo throughout teaching it. I will be mixing it with English, explaining it in English, saying what it is in Igbo, and also explaining what it is in English. So for easy understanding of people who are learning, because my target is to get foreigners who want to learn this language, or neighboring countries who want to learn another language, to get to understand it and use it fluently and enjoy it. Guys, no language is superior than others, and a lot more people are yearning to learn more languages, to learn different languages. I just saw one white lady learning Igbo so seriously, and this really motivated me, because this is one thing I have been passionate about. She was learning it as in, she said she speaks English, she speaks German, she speaks French, and now she is really into Igbo language, and she is doing well in it. She's really doing well in it. I love her channel, and I just feel like to flow with her. So my people, this is my motive in this particular episode I'm bringing on. Learn With Me Igbo. There is really going to be a lot to learn about in this particular episode. In the channel also, we will be bringing other things. It's not only going to be about Learn With Me. There is a lot we are going to be bringing up, but in this particular one, Learn With Me, you will really have to enjoy Igbo language with me, with other tribe who may want to learn also, and a lot more. So my people, stay tuned. It's really going to be fun. So in this particular episode, which I'll be bringing to you, we are going to start from the alphabet, and a lot more to learn from it. I will be using the one called Igbo Nzube. I have my dialect also. I'm from Enugu State, precisely Nsukka, and we have our own personal dialect. But here I will be using the general one that everybody understands, which is called Igbo Nzube. So I will be teaching. I will be using it to teach. We are going to start maybe in the next one, alphabet, consonants, vowels in Igbo language, and little words to associate with Igbo people when you have them or when you want to trade with them. Igbos are good people, and they are well known in Nigeria by their beliefs, by their culture. They are hardworking, they are loving people, they associate with they associate with anybody, anywhere they meet themselves, anywhere they find themselves. Guys, Igbos are really lovely to be with. So, are you trying to learn this particular language? I got your back. Have you had an Igbo friend and you have been finding it difficult to speak or interact with her in his or her own language? I got your back. So, I will be bringing it up on. So stay tuned in this channel, because I tell you, this episode is really going to be so fun. Okay, my people, I got the video. We are going to end it here, guys. See you there on next week when I will be starting with the alphabet and many more to come. Okay, thank you for being part. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Thanks for everything you have been doing in this channel since the day it started. Thank you. Please do me a favor by clicking on that subscription button and on the bell on the side, so that anytime we upload a video, you will be notified and come on to support. I so much appreciate, and I would cherish you guys. Love you guys. Bye.